Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make croissants. First, gather your ingredients: flour, sugar, yeast, salt, cold milk, and butter. Mix the dry ingredients, then add the wet ones. Gently combine until a shaggy dough forms. Knead it for just a few minutes, then wrap it tightly and refrigerate for at least half an hour. This initial chill is crucial for the next steps. Next, prepare your butter block. Flatten cold butter into a 6 by 6 inch square. Roll your chilled dough into a 12 by 6 inch rectangle. Carefully place the butter block onto one half of the dough. Fold the other half of the dough over the butter, ensuring all edges are sealed. This creates the essential layers for flaky croissants. Now for the lamination. Roll the dough into a long rectangle about 24 by 8 inches. Perform a letter fold. Fold 1/3 of the dough over the middle, then fold the remaining third over that. Chill for 30 minutes. Repeat this entire rolling, folding, and chilling process 2 more times. This builds those beautiful, flaky layers. Finally, it's time to shape and bake. Roll your laminated dough into a 16 by 12 inch rectangle. Cut it into triangles, then gently roll each triangle from its wide base to the tip. Let them proof until they've doubled in size. Brush with an egg wash, then bake at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 to 20 minutes until golden brown. Enjoy your homemade croissants.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.